What better way to finish off with your trim accessories on your vehicle, especially if you have a GM or Ford truck, than to go with Putco's Black Platinum lettering. It's a really, really great add-on for the tailgate. Of course, everybody is going to be able to see this really, really gorgeous addition. It's a very simple install. Simply peel your 3M backing, sticks right in to the indented section where you have your writing. So if it's F-150, Ranger, and as you can see here, Chevrolet, it is an extremely, extremely easy install so long as you can read. That is our only requirement. Check these out and a ton of other great Putco trim accessories. Join us at RHRSwag.com.